how to enable or disable code wrapping in Google Colab. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can enable or disable the code wrapping in your Google Colab notebook. So as you can see in this particular editor, currently the code wrapping is disabled. So let me show you how you can enable it, or if you have already enabled it, the steps are almost same for disabling it. First, head on to the settings gear icon at the top right corner of the screen. Now, this will open the settings option, and from here you need to select editor. Now, within editor, simply scroll down, and here you will see this option which says enable code wrapping in the editor. To enable it, simply tick mark this, or if it is already enabled and you wish to disable it, you simply uncheck this. So since I will be enabling this, I have checked this up, and then I'm going to click onto the save button. And now you can see that the code has been successfully wrapped throughout the particular editor in my notebook. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.